Hello guys, I am Shubham from Shubham Tutorials. This video is about factors affecting membrane transport. So before we start, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is up. This is absolutely free from your side, but this will help us. So membrane transport basically transport across plasma membrane as we have discussed in the previous videos. So this is actual term, the actual term है that is membrane transport because we are not only limiting this to plasma membrane transport, right? Organelles को भी membrane है, okay? And उस membrane से भी transport कैसे होता है? So this thing is relating with that also, okay? Membrane can be a plasma membrane as well as a organelle membrane, right? So factors affecting this now we are discussing in this video. कुछ ऐसे factors है. First factor is the concentration gradient. Okay, concentration gradient is directly proportional to the rate of, we can say, transport or diffusion, we can say, right? Means this is the membrane जो ट्रांसपोर्ट हो रहा है. अगर हाई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है तो ट्रांसपोर्ट फास्ट होगा. ओके, एंड दिस इज बेसिकली up to an extent. Up to an extent. You have to remember this. Second point, hydrophobicity. As we know, hydrophobic अगर molecule है, that will be also directly proportional to the rate of transport. Right? Hydrophobic molecule easily pass कर सकते हैं, whereas hydrophilic molecule cannot pass. Third is size. Okay, size is inversely proportional. How? How inversely proportional? Because अगर small molecule है तो easily pass कर सकता है. अगर large molecule है तो उसका time लगेगा. Right? Small will pass easily, large will pass late. Okay, this will pass early because of the small size, and big will pass late. That is inverse. Small size, fast transport, large size, slow transport. Okay. Next point is temperature. So temperature is highly proportional to the rate of transport. If temperature is high, transport will be fast. If low temperature, then the rate of transport will be low. Next point is membrane thickness. So I will draw your two membrane structure. Okay, we can see इसकी thickness कम है, इसकी thickness ज़्यादा है. इसका ट्रांसपोर्ट फास्ट होगा, इसमें स्लो होगा. Right? So if membrane thickness is more, transport is slow. So this is inversely proportional. Inversely proportional to the rate of transport. Okay, if the membrane thickness is high, rate of transport is low. If membrane thickness is less, rate of transport will be low. There is inverse relationship. Then next point, which is the last point, These are very easy actually when we are discussing, but we have to consider while studying. Right? Last point, permeability coefficient. Permeability coefficient. Again, अगर permeability coefficient ज़्यादा है, fast transport होगा, obvious है. Permeability, which defines permeability, right? That will be again directly proportional to rate of transport. Okay, so these are the points to be considered, which are factors responsible for the membrane transport. First is concentration gradient, second is hydrophobicity, okay, third is size, then temperature, membrane thickness, and permeability coefficient. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. If you find this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section. Like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the upcoming video. Thank you.